The increasing order of effective nuclear charge in sodium, aluminum, magnesium, and silicon atoms is actually the effective nuclear charge increases when we go from left to right in a period. So, B is the correct option. Correct? Effective nuclear charge means nuclear charge minus shielding. So as you go from left to right, the number of atomic number increases. So number of protons increases means nuclear charge increases. So this is the correct order, B1. Whenever a list of radii is given, we find that the size of noble gases is larger than the size of the adjacent halogen. The reason is in halogen, it is covalent radii. When we measure the size of an atom, halogens are bonded with the covalent bonds. So we consider the covalent radii, whereas the noble gases, it is van der Waals radii. That is why the size is bigger of noble gases. The order of screening effect of electrons of s, p, d and f orbitals of the given shell of an atom on in its outer electrons is A is the correct option. S orbitals has the maximum screening effect. What is the screening effect? To reduce the nuclear charge, experience of nuclear charge by the valence electrons. So, which has the maximum power to reduce the nuclear charge? S orbitals, because of their shape, their penetration power and distance from the nucleus. F has the least screening effect. Correct? So A is the correct option.